Welcome to the Carpigiani food service presentation. The Carpigiani line of gelato machines specifically designed for the culinary and catering world. The food service range of machines has production capacities that accommodate the needs of restaurateurs, starting from 150 grams per cycle and up to 4 kilograms per cycle. All machines have a single-phase power supply, making it quick and easy to install in any kitchen. Furthermore, there are all countertop machines that can be easily moved if needed. Now let's see the machines. Freeze&Go, Carpigiani's most compact batch freezers for restaurateurs that want to make traditional and real gelato on demand. It is so simple to use, with just one button and no other settings needed. In just a few minutes, you can batch freeze from a minimum of 150 grams up to a maximum of 500 grams of freshly made gelato or sorbets with just the click of a button. Labo XPL P 6.9 and 8.12. These are two models of compact batch freezers with the exclusive program known as Crystal. Crystal is a program designed to create frozen pastry, gelato cakes, canals, and other monoportions with silicone molds that can be conserved and directly served and consumed at -18°C. Of course, the Labo XPL P produces gelato, sorbets, and fruit cremolata. Depending on the model, we can produce 1 kilo to 2.5 kilos of gelato per cycle. Next, we have the Ready 6.9 and 8.12. These are two models of countertop batch freezers with the same programs as seen in the Labo XPL P, but with the added ability to heat and pasteurize your liquid mixture inside the cylinder. It includes 5 batch freezing programs, including gelato, sorbets, fruit cremolata, as well as the Crystal program. It also has 3 pasteurizing programs. Depending on the model, it can produce from 1 kilo to 2.5 kilos of gelato per cycle. ReadyChef. This is a multi-function batch freezer that not only has the classic Carpigiani batch freezing programs and Crystal program, but also has many other programs for pastry and chocolate, helping you to optimize and guarantee consistency of your gelato and pastry production. ReadyChef allows you to batch freeze up to 4 kilograms of gelato or sorbet per cycle and to prepare up to 4.5 kilos of custard cream per cycle. The 161T GSP is a soft serve machine ideal for restaurants that want to add a simple and practical way of adding frozen desserts to their menu. The large variety of nozzles allows the operators to personalize the premium soft serve into creative and modern shapes. Furthermore, the 161T GSP is a self-pasteurizing machine that allows you to schedule cleaning cycles up to once every 42 days. The worldwide network of Carpigiani distributors can help you find the right machine for your kitchen or laboratory. You can find the contact of your local Carpigiani distributor as well as more info at 𝐷𝐞𝐿.com.